So here we are on the production line for the base material. Now, this is the semi-finished product. This is the soft stone, the flexi stone, whatever you want to call it. It's a half-finished product, and as you can see, it's fully automated. There's not a person in sight, and that green light there means everything's operating normally. So it's pretty cool. This is where the surface gets 3D printed. PHOMI makes about 15,000 square meters of this stuff a day. And when I say 3D printed, I don't mean ink. It doesn't use ink. It uses an inorganic mineral pigment. And while in the machine, the surface gets treated to ensure that no color gets lost and that the boards can last for up to 50 years. What customers care about most is always consistent product quality. And at PHOMI, their quality control is extremely strict. From fire rating to aging resistance and wear resistance, every key performance metric is tested. That's why PHOMI's earned the trust of partners in more than 120 countries and why their products are sold all around the world.